Hey, what's up everybody? Just picked up this EK hatch about a week ago, 98. It's got the B20B swap in it, LS tranny, LS intake manifold, 4-to-1 headers. It's got the JDM black headlights, JDM fog lights. It's got the JDM interior in it, JDM side markers. Forgive me, my garage is filthy right now. Car's really clean overall. It's got the rotas on it. Not a bad job on the motor swap. B20B high compression. It's got the knock sensor on the back, HIDs. AC actually works. Interior's in really great shape, other than, you know, typical door panels start cracking on these cars. I will tell you one thing that's driving me crazy right now, I've been working on it for over a week now, is the freaking idle air control valve. I have done everything in the world to try to correct that issue, and I'm getting the p1509 code. I don't have the crazy up and down 1500 RPM idling. It's just really low idle. I've tried everything. The ECU has been repinned from 14 to 12. Tried going from 14 to 13 because this is a non-VTEC. Typically 14 to 12 I believe is the VTEC setup. But either way, I'm just figuring out, I can't find a p1509 hardly anywhere, or anybody that's really dealt with the issue. Everybody's really just dealt with the idle air control valve issues of the crazy revving on the idling, 1500 RPM up and down, up and down, up and down. So what I figured out is I'm not getting signal from my ECU, which is the P2E, to my idle air control valve, or vice versa, back and forth. I have tried all different variations. I have swapped idle air control valves, and none of it seems to be working. I'm to my eyeballs with this thing today. So I'm going to pick up a P75 from a guy today, swap that out and see if maybe it was an ECU issue. I bought the car the way it is, so I am not sure if it's an automatic harness, VTEC harness, non-VTEC harness. So that being said, I'm going to try swapping the P75 ECU out, and then swap my idle air control valves. I've got a couple of them back and forth, and see where it goes from there. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys the car, and hopefully I can get some comments or some feedback from some guys on here that have dealt with it or know about it, that have any helpful information or tips or tricks that I can try to get that situated. More videos coming. I'm putting a VTEC head on it. Going to go ahead and get the turbo kit and everything set up for it. So hopefully we have that B20 VTEC. Probably do the Honda ECU unless you guys have a better idea for the ECU, but it's coming. EK JDM B20B. I'm excited. I've been looking for this car for a long time. It's in great shape, and I actually bought it for $2 grand, so I think 2K is a pretty good setup. Oh, and it came with a set of SI wheels. Again, forgive me, my garage is filthy, but SI wheels are in great shape, so man, I think I got a pretty good deal. I'll show you guys the interior and everything when I get it a little more cleaned up. Thanks.